Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Stone 1400 Mini, which happens to be a portable Bluetooth speaker from boAt. Now this is the top surface of the packaging. We can see a bit of marketing stuff around the ruggedness of the device as well as the massive full range drivers that it has. On this side, you just have some mention of the pricing as well as the contents on the inside. There's nothing on this side. And when we flip it around, we have a bit more information. Mostly it's to do with all the features that are present in the device. This includes the different modes, the interfaces, the speakers, the protection mechanism, and all those things. Without further ado, let's unbox the speaker. On the inside, we find the speaker that's surrounded by closed cell packaging on either sides. There's also a small box. We'll open these in a while. There's nothing else in the packaging. So we have the speaker itself and quite a few things in the little box. First, we have the little warranty card. You should always read the terms that govern your warranty. Then you have a Type-C USB cable. So this is basically Type-C on one end and USB Type-A on the other. By the looks of it, it seems to be about 50 centimeters long. That's 30 or 25-ish coiled twice. Then you have an AUX cable. Which also happens to be roughly 25 centimeters doubled over, so that's 50 centimeters. I'll keep this on the side. Then you have a little brochure of all the different boAt speakers that you can buy. A little sticker that reads, "I am a boAthead." And lastly, you have the user manual, which also includes all the specifications, the features, how you can pair the device with different devices, and everything else that's concerning this particular speaker. Coming to the speaker itself, you can see it has a plastic rugged exterior with additional plastic inlays as well as holders on the side. There's a belt on the top to lift the product and hang it onto whatever device you want to. You also have the controls on the top. These are power, volume low, play pause, volume up, and a set of LEDs for indicating different functions. On the rear, you have a little hatch which has the USB, AUX, and 5-volt connectors, as you can see. There's nothing on the bottom, but you have two PTFE or rubber feet. And the last surface has the boAt branding. So that's it for this particular unboxing of the boAt 1400 portable Bluetooth speaker. If you'd like us to do similar unboxings of audio products, please stay tuned, and thank you for watching.